Hi friends! Hello there! Welcome to another lesson. It's story time! Story time with Teacher Jane. Today I have a lovely story for you all. It's called Maisie's Big Book of Kindness. To be kind is to be nice. Yes? So let's start the reading. Okay? So it says, Maisie is very kind. There are lots of ways to be kind. Yes. Okay, and look, here's Maisie. Maisie is a mouse. Yes, a mouse. Okay, right. One way to be kind is sharing. Yes? Okay, so Maisie shares her toys with her friends. She lets Tallulah play with Panda. Here's Tallulah, Maisie's friend. And look, this is Panda. Here's a panda. Okay, so Tallulah says to Maisie, "Thank you, Maisie." Okay. On a hot day, Maisie likes to share her favorite place with her friends. It is so much fun. Yes, the animals are playing in the water, and the water makes the sound splish, splash, splish, splash. Okay, on a rainy day, Maisie shares her umbrella with Eddie. Yes, look friends, it's raining. It's raining. Here's an umbrella. Yeah, it will keep you dry if it's raining. Umbrella. Okay. Maisie chooses a book to read out loud. Story time is sharing time. Yes, here's Maisie reading a story to her friends. Yes, and it says here, sharing is kind. It definitely is. Another way to be kind is giving. Okay, so Maisie paints, a birthday card to give Cyril. Yes, it's Cyril's birthday. Wow. Charlie, this is Charlie, the crocodile. Charlie is busy making a cake for Cyril. Yes, let me show you a cake, everybody. Here is a cake. Okay. Whiz. Happy birthday! Maisie gives Cyril the card she has made. And this is Cyril, the squirrel. Here's a squirrel. Cyril says, "Thank you, Maisie." Charlie gives Cyril the birthday cake. There's the birthday cake with 3 candles. 1, 2, 3. Cyril says, "Thank you, Charlie. That's so kind. Oopsie daisy. Someone has knocked over the birthday cake. Oh no, friends. The cake's on the floor. It goes, the sound of it is splat. It goes splat on the floor. Okay. I'm sorry I knocked over your cake, whispers Tallulah. Can I give you a hug? Of course, says Cyril. Don't worry. It was an accident. Here is Cyril and Tallulah hugging. They're hugging each other. Yes. Okay. Maisie gives little black cat a tickle under his chin. His chin, yeah. The cat, the little black cat says purr, purr. Charlie gives his teddies a cuddle. Every single one. Giving is kind. Yes. A third way to be kind is caring. Yes, caring. So Maisie and Eddie care for the flowers in Maisie's garden. They give them some water to help them grow. Yes, here are flowers, everyone, flowers. And this is the water. Drip, drop goes the water. Now look, Maisie and Tallulah want to care for all the creatures in the garden. Yes. Look, a ladybird. So they are building a bug hotel. Wow. What a wonderful place for insects to live. Yes, a home for insects. Wow. Maisie cares for all sorts of animals, like chicks. Cheep, 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 cheep. She looks after the little lambs, the baby sheep. And they go ba, ba. She helps feed the cow and the pigs. Here's the cow. It says moo, moo. And the pigs, they say oink, oink. When Dottie falls off her skateboard, Maisie cares for her by putting on a bandage. Yeah, well, here's the bandage. Yes, it is white. So Maisie cares for all her friends. Her big smile makes them happy. You see, caring is kind. Helping is our third way to be kind. Little black cat is stuck in the tree. Eddie comes to the rescue. Here's Eddie the elephant, okay? So Maisie is very grateful for Eddie's help. Maisie says, "Thank you, Eddie. Thank you, Eddie. Thank you." Everyone is hungry. Maisie helps cook lunch on the barbecue. Yeah. Cyril kindly lets Dottie go ahead of him. Okay. Charlie brings Dottie some cakes and and biscuits. Cakes and biscuits. Tallulah offers her a milkshake. This is the milkshake. Yummy. I love milkshakes. Thank you for your help, everyone. Wow. Okay, nearly finished the story, everybody. So when it's tidy up time, everyone helps out. Cyril sweeps and Maisie hoovers. Yes, you see Cyril, the squirrel, with the sweeping brush, and Maisie's doing hoovering. Eddie collects up all the recycling. Scrunch, scrunch. Tallulah helps clean up Panda. Here's Panda in the bath. In the bath. And Charlie and Maisie help too. Helping is kind. Playing together. Playing together. Maisie asks everyone to come and play at her house. This is Maisie's house, everybody. Maisie lives here. Eddie and Dottie find a quiet game to play. They take it in turns to choose blocks. Here are blocks. Do you play with blocks? Yeah? No? Maisie and Tallulah finish the jigsaw puzzle together. Here's the jigsaw puzzle. And the clock goes tick tock, tick tock. Okay, now it's time for a noisy game. It's Maisie and the music makers. Look. Wow, the sounds go ting, ting, toot, bam. Yeah? Playing together is kind. Yes. Okay. Being kind feels good. How can you be kind today? Yes. And that is it, my friends. That's the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed hearing today's story, and see you next time.